To purchase a Pro in Robinhood. The process is straightforward and quick. Begin by opening the Robinhood app and clicking on the search icon at the top of the screen. This will open a new screen where you can click on the search bar and type VOO. A list of options will be displayed, including stocks and ETFs. Select the first option. Once you've selected the desired stock or ETF, such as the S&P 500 ETF, you'll be taken to a page showing the current price. Click the Buy button at the bottom of the screen. Then enter the number of shares you wish to purchase. If you don't want to buy a whole share, you can also enter an amount in your local currency by clicking on the Buy in Dollars option, which allows you to purchase a fractional share. Simply enter the amount you want to spend, and the equivalent share value will be displayed. For example, entering $10 will show how many shares you'll receive. Finally, swipe up to complete the purchase, and the VOO will be added to your Robinhood account.